stripes across the back. I haven't seen them yet.
How big's the adult?
Size beetle.
Yuck. They look like the head lice for plants.
Nasty fucking creatures.
Wow. Is that the big one over there, way over there? See?
The whole thing started right there.
See how there's a big one right in the middle over there? And he looks different than the rest?
Where?
Over there, closer to that row at the end. See?
I see a plant being eaten there. Is that what you mean?
No.